We're in the process of trying to put our previous house on the market to sell. One of the things we needed to do was clean up the backyard. We had used the TTWT to mulch our leaves this past fall, and it just piled them in a big pile in our burn pit. But our realtor didn't think that was such a good idea to leave there. So we took Johnny over to clean up our mess. We had planned to burn the leaves, but it just got too wet and really hasn't been dry enough to make it easy to burn. So we decided to haul them off to the dump.
It's always good to see Jimmy and Lucy. Lucy is crazy as ever, always running right back around the tractor and have to watch really close to keep from running over her. And Jimmy's sporting that super cool hat.
Neighbor Jimmy also had a bunch of stuff that needed to be hauled off, so we volunteered to put it on the trailer and haul it off to the dump with our stuff. That's just what neighbors do for each other. What have you been burning, Jimmy?
Everything.
That doesn't look like it's totally organic.
I don't know what the metal was, but it's all been wood stuff. There you go, that's a load.
Why is there bricks in there?
Well, I had a brick around the outside of it. It's a lot drier out here than what I thought it would be. I thought it would be a lot softer.
I didn't think he'd be able to clean it up. In fact, I told our realtor he probably wouldn't be able to.
Yeah, that's another thing. I want to get some stuff where they start showing your house on all the crap over here. So.
At this point, I didn't have the diverter kit installed, so no grapple. It's installed now. That episode came out a couple of days ago. It gave us a good chance to show some of the differences under the hood between the 2014 version and the 2018 version of the 1025R. If you haven't seen it, check it out.
Bad for my health, hanging out with Tim.
Yeah.
Hey, you break my leg, you still have help. There's got to be a way out of this job somehow.
I don't think I'm quite as strong as that grapple. You don't have a whole lot of weight back here.
Okay, folks, look back at our previous episode about how much we could pick up and the trick we could use to pick something up that was actually heavier than we could pick up. I think that's what we got now. Are my tires flat?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
I'll get in trouble for that because I still didn't put air in them even after that last experiment.
Jimmy may have a...
Yeah, we can air them up.
Yeah, but I'd have to go over there, right?
Yeah.
We'll put it back down and...
You don't have your weights in here yet either, do you?
I gave them away with the other tractor.
There's 40 in there right now.
Woo! That's probably plenty.
You let them out?
Yeah.
35? Okay. I'll go with 35.
I think it's a max of 25.
Is it real?
No, that's okay. Well, Johnny, this is what you could have been.
A nice Corvette. You could have taken me for a nice, sweet ride in that.
Like once, twice, until, we were tired of it.
Yeah.
But look at all the fun we've had with Johnny.
You and Chrissy just come and get it.
Did you hear that? We can come borrow the Corvette.
You guys just
How
come get
far
it.
would I get with a Corvette before I'd have red and blues
Behind you?
behind
That
me?
one, not very far, but they wouldn't be able to catch you. Just keep going.
If it's your license plate, I just bring it back here and park it.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, that's a sweet ride right there.
It's not the funnest to get in and out of, but once you're in it, it's a rocket ship. It's supercharged.
2,000 miles.
2000.
It's a 2017 model, but it's got 2,000 miles on it. Wow, the tires look worn out.
No, they're actually shaved from the factory. They actually are shaved at an angle.
Okay.
Why
I mean,
do
I
they
knew
do
they
that?
Because the car is naturally what they call bow-legged a little bit, like this.
Okay.
So it's actually shaved for performance.
We've never had a car like that. A minivan just doesn't do that.
No, they didn't shave the tires on the minivan.
Or the Prius.
Or the Prius.
The Prius can go 0 to 60 in 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Maybe, yeah.
With a tailwind.
I'm going to wear this hat in that car all the time.
Well, I love the hat.
Oh, I love this hat.
I kind of like the car too, but don't worry, Johnny.
Well, maybe we just paint it green.
Maybe so.
Put John Deere on the side. And
Put a front loader on it. All right, let's try this again.
Okay, big stump. You're in trouble. Okay, notice that I used the curl here to lift that stump. The boom wouldn't lift it, but I was able to curl the bucket to get it off the ground. The option of driving up that ramp really provides another level of functionality for this trailer. I don't believe I could have loaded this stump any other way. As you can see, I couldn't lift it high enough to put it over the sides, and not even high enough to set it directly on the bed from the rear. We'll take a detailed look at the versatility of this tailgate in an upcoming Truck and Trailer Tuesday.
This stuff, I've got a huge box right inside my house. I'm going to have you help me carry out.
Okay. Can we put it in the bucket right at the door or something?
I don't think so. We probably slide that box right in the back. You probably, after we get this loaded, pull forward and then I'll pull the car out.
it's like the Batmobile.
That's what Natalie and Ben call it.
Boys and their toys.
It's something else. She asked me what I wanted for my birthday. I said my dream car. That's it.
Cool. Don't think it's the same.
I bet I got about as many horsepower.
Yeah.
Maybe not quite.
Maybe not quite.
Well, this is going to pull a lot more weight, that's for sure.
Oh, well. Can't win them all. Put it on the ramp. Hold the ramp.
He's gonna just close it on it. There we go.
You have way too much fun with that.
Yeah, exactly.
I didn't know we had a garbage truck.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Now you got to put it back up because we got to back up.
Yeah, I may as well put it back up and leave it up, hadn't I?
Yeah.
Because we're done with that.
We just brought the trailer home that day and let it sit. We had more stuff that we needed to put in it at our new house to take to the dump. A bit unconventional use of a tractor, don't you think?
Hey, anything that saves a little bit of manual labor is a conventional use of a tractor.
All right, works for me. Out with the old toilet. Everybody mark it down. He's throwing away a computer.
I don't throw away many computers. I try to keep them forever, I think.
Yeah, that one has been for about forever.
This is a 3032E that we have on loan for just a little while from GoodWorks Tractors. If you're interested in this particular tractor, it's for sale at goodworkstractors.com. Go check it out. We got it so we could experience this Curtis cab that you see. The cab's definitely warm on a cold day, but it's not real quiet. It's a great time for our IsoTunes audio headset. I was able to perform 2 functions at the same time, as you can see here, but it wasn't easy. It's nice that it lifts a good bit higher than Johnny. This makes it much easier to dump into a trailer that's almost loaded. I got this tractor here expecting to be able to do some snow removal with it. It's been plenty cold, but we haven't had enough snow to actually try to remove. So then I decided I would try to use it to move some of the dirt that I dug out of the pond. When it's cold, that dirt's frozen and I can't get it dug up. When it's warm, it's been too muddy. I dug enough to notice that it didn't have much strength in the curl function. I looked up the specs and sure enough the 1 Series is rated much higher in the curl strength than the 300E loader. I was really surprised at that. Overall, this is a unique combination. Keep your toes and ears warm for a lot less money than the 3R. Hey Christy, is it cold out there?
Yeah, I don't think this is fair. You're in there in the nice heated cab, and I'm out here freezing. It's only, what, 17 today?
It is warm in here.
That's
It's
not
really
fair.
nice.
Next time I drive.
Yep. No!
Yeah, you just said yep. I have it on camera. Hey, nice to be able to dump into that trailer. Yes, you match your trailer.
You know, I thought with the 3 Series, you might be able to dump over the top of it, but really, it worked best to have it down. I think maybe I could have got over the top of it with this 3 loader, but I couldn't have dumped near as well. Yeah, this is really nice.
We're going to the dump today.
To the dump, to the dump, to the dump, dump, dump.
Oh my goodness.
To the dump, to the dump, to the dump, dump, dump.
As you can see, it's really cold, so I didn't take a lot of video. I promise to get some next time we dump, when it's warmer.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim.